Okay guys, we're back with another recipe from 30-minute paleo meals. Today we're going to do seared lime and pepper tuna with tropical salsa. This one has a picture and this is what it looks like. I'm going to see if this tastes good or not. So the first thing we're going to do is put everything in a bowl here. We're going to make the salsa. So we're going to do 1 cup of diced mangoes. So I just cheated and bought some frozen mangoes here. Ouch. And these things are expensive. So a cup worth of mangoes. There we go. I'll have to make some, I'm going to have to make some smoothies with the rest of these. I think these cost like $11 a bag. And then pineapple. Same thing, frozen pineapples, and then a cup of that. Perfect. And then we're going to add in some red bell peppers diced. Sorry. 1 more full of that. I already cut it up. And then the next thing we're going to add is half a red onion. I hate onions. You guys know all this already. And then 1 jalapeno. So I got that all chopped up and de-seeded. And then we're going to add some lime juice, or not lime, lemon juice right here, and mix that all up. Make sure it gets all mixed in here. Looks beautiful. I love the colors. And then we're going to set this aside. And then we're going to make some zest of limes. So let me wash my hands really quickly. We're going to set this aside. Grab the limes here. Get a new cutting board out here, and it's grating 9 limes. So this is going to be the zest that goes on top of the tuna. I got a lot of limes to go through here, just baby limes here, 9 of them. So let's see here, which side would probably be the best? Probably this one. Let's see how well this works. Let me remove the sticker here. It's going to smell good. I'll have to figure out something to do with the lime juice. The zest is definitely coming off a lot better than that last one that we used on the last video. But I am going to go ahead and finish zesting all of this, and then I'll bring you guys back and we'll do the rest of the video here. So we'll be back in a few minutes. Okay guys, so I got some zest here from the limes. It smells really, really good. And then I got some tuna here, steaks from the grocery store this morning. They look really good. Really, really good here. They're pretty thick. I'll put them on a plate over here. And then we're going to pretty much douse this with the lime It says on a large plate, combine the lime zest, salt, and pepper. So, and then it says drench the tuna steaks in the zest mixture and press down on each side. So we're going to put that down here like this. Make sure, and then we're going to put some salt and pepper next, really quickly on each side. Got my sea salt here. Grab my pepper here. I've got a bunch of lime juice or lime zest on my hand. Perfect. Pat it down a little bit more. Make sure that it gets in there, and then we're going to flip it on the other side and do the exact same thing. There we go. Do salt and pepper. This is going to give it its flavor for sure. And then we're going to heat the oil over the frying pan here. Large non-stick saute pan. I'm gonna grab my saute pan here. Move you guys over to the stove here. We're gonna take 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Let's move you guys over here. Perfect. Kind of toss this around here to the, make sure it gets covered all over the bottom here. Let it get warmed up a little bit. Bring this over. We just let that get hot a little bit. My stove takes forever. We'll be back in a few seconds here, guys. Now we're gonna take our tongs here and put these on the hot pan here and let them cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. My timer on here. On over high heat, so I've got it on high. And Kyle doesn't like this stuff raw, he's afraid. So we'll probably cook it pretty good, because last time I made the steaks, he was pretty sketchy on making sure that they were cooked all the way. So we might let these cook a little bit longer than normal just so that they're cooked all the way through. But we'll be back here in a few more minutes to check at these when they are getting all done, okay? Okay guys, so here is our finished tuna. Hopefully it is cooked good enough for Kyle. He's the one that doesn't like it to be too raw. So let's take a look and see what we got. We're going to cut this one here and see if it's okay. It looks like, I know I'm cutting this really weird, but that looks good done. There's a few things, a little pink, but I think pink is better than bloody red. And it's coming off really good. And then we're going to plate it. So we got our salsa here, and we're going to grab a spoon here. Actually, I don't think I turned, oh, I did turn the microphone on. Okay, good. So we're going to take some of this salsa here. And marinated it really nice, and then we're going to take some chunks of tuna here, put it on top, and that is it, you guys. That is all of it. So let's just try the tuna by itself. Pretty good flavor. Not too fishy, but still's got some flavor. And then, sorry, you guys can't see my face, but that's it right there. That mango piece was good. It's very fruitful, very springtime summer meal. I'm not a huge fan of it. I would pick at it because I don't like the onions. Red peppers are not my thing. I like green peppers and yellow peppers, but the fruits taste really good. The frozen, it's fantastic. So thanks for watching, guys. Sorry, that's cold. I'm gonna have Kyle try it. Thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Bye.